I'm Christine.
I'm Abachan.
And I'm Oji-chan, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
This is what I make this week.
I helped some.
I hope some. This is a sheep. This is a horsey. This is a cow. This is a rooster. This is a puppy. This is a pig. And this is a duck. They go in the door. Closes, and it goes on this one. This one goes at the top.
The guy's in the top. How'd the pig get up there?
And then he gets up here. And the puppy comes over here. And the sheep goes over here. And this goes over here.
Oh.
I'm Christine. Hi, I'm my blah 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 blah.
This is like I made yesterday. This is what this is.
Until we meet again. It's just Jennifer. Until we meet again. Bye bye. If you like this video, if you like this video,
sorry. This is all for today.
if you like this video,
Smash that button
until we meet again. Bye bye.
and press